Hi students, how are you? Here is an interesting question. Among the following compound, the one which has highest dipole moment. These four compounds are given. So which will be the answer? This question is based on the topic aromaticity. What is an aromatic compound? First we have to know what is an aromatic compound. Aromatic compound has 4n plus 2 number of pi electron, which will be delocalized in a planar conjugated cyclic system. The three conditions will have an aromatic compound. It will be cyclic compound, planar conjugated system, and there will be 4n plus 2 number of pi electrons. Whereas in anti-aromatic compound, there will be 4n number of pi electrons, and it will also be planar conjugated and cyclic. Aromatic compound is highly stable compound, whereas an anti-aromatic compound is highly unstable. So now if we see the internal polarization, the result of internal polarization in this compound, then we can see first in this compound let's say the pi bond is polarized in this direction, then it will result it will be negatively charged, it will be positively charged. Now this ring cyclopentadienyl anion, which has 6 pi electronic system, that is 4 pi plus 2, 6 pi electronic system. 6 pi means here n equal to 1, so 6 pi electronic system in a cyclic planar conjugated system, that means this ring is aromatic, cyclopentadienyl anion. Whereas in this case cyclopentadienyl cation, there is 4 pi electronic system. So 4 pi electronic system means this is anti-aromatic. Now let's say the compound 2, here internal polarization occur in this way. As a result, it will be negative, it will be positive. It is cycloheptatrienyl cation. So in cycloheptatrienyl cation, it is a resonance stabilized, that is cyclic and planar conjugated system which contains 6 pi electron. So this ring cycloheptatrienyl cation, this is aromatic ion, whereas the cyclopentadienyl anion, here there is 6 pi electronic system as well as it is planar conjugated and cyclic. So here both these rings are aromatic, and both these rings are will be stabilized due to internal polarization of this pi bond. So in this case the internal polarization will happen and both the ring will get aromaticity. So here charge separation will happen in larger extent and there will be a dipole moment from positive to negative direction. There will be a large dipole moment in this compound. Whereas in other case, in option 3, let's see what happened. if internal polarization occur in this way, then it will be, let's see what happened, it will be negative and it will be positive. So it is cycloheptade trinyl cation. It is 6pi electronic system, planar conjugated, cyclic, so it is aromatic. Whereas in this case it is also cyclic, planar and conjugated system, but it will contain 4 electron, so it is anti-aromatic. So here one aromatic and one anti-aromatic. So here charge separation, that is internal polarization, will not occur. So here the dipole moment will be less, and in case of, if we reverse the polarity, if the pi bond will polarize in this direction, then it will be a 2pi electronic system, which is cyclic planar conjugated system. So it will be aromatic, whereas it will be 8pi electronic system. Let's say if the polarization occur in this direction, then it will be negative, it will be positive. So it is a aromatic cation, whereas this is anti-aromatic cation because it has 8pi electronic system. 8pi means where n equal to 2, so 8pi electronic system means it is anti-aromatic, so highly unstable. So internal polarization will not happen in this case. Now the option 4, which is let's say the polarization takes place in this direction, then it will be negative and it will be positive. Here this is a 6pi electronic system, cyclic planar conjugated system, so it will be aromatic, but in this case this is a 3-degree cation. 3-degree cation, it has considerable stability but not that much like an aromatic compound. So here the dipole moment will be less than this, the charge separation will occur less than this, so this compound will have high dipole moment. So the option 2 is correct. There is another question. Amongst the following, the compound which has the lowest energy barrier for the cis-trans isomerization. Now 4 compounds are there. So cis-trans means this is the interconversion of, let's say one example, cis-2-butene, CH3, C11C, CH3. This is cis-2-butene. Now it will be converted to trans isomer if we break this CC pi bond and rotate this carbon to 180 degree, then the hydrogen will come in this place and the CH3 will come in this place, that is trans isomer will result. So from cis to trans we need to breaking and making of bonds. So if the energy barrier of breaking and making of bond is less, then interconversion will occur easier way. But if the energy barrier is very high, then it will not happen easily. Now let's say if here also the same logic will be applied, we have to see after internal polarization when both the ring will get aromatic, then the double bond will have most single bond character on that compound. Again I am telling that we have to examine that in which case both the ring get aromaticity on internal polarization, and if both the ring get aromaticity on internal polarization, then the pi bond the bond order between this CC bond order will be less, and internal conversion, that is energy barrier, will be small to convert cis to trans isomer or trans to cis isomer. Now for this compound, if internal polarization occur in this way, then the result will be, let's draw, it will be negative, it will be positive. There are two methyl group, so it is aromatic, cycloheptatrinyl cation, whereas it is anti-aromatic. This is 4-pi electronic system, so internal polarization will not occur in this case. Here also, if we reverse the polarity in this compound, that is polarization occur in this way, then it will be a cycloheptatrinyl anion, that will be 8-pi electronic system. So then it will be anti-aromatic and it will be aromatic because it will be a 2-pi electronic system. Whereas in compound 2, if internal polarization occur in this way, then one ring will be aromatic, 6-pi electronic system, but another ring will be anti-aromatic, that is 4-pi electronic system. We will draw the structure. So this is aromatic, but this is anti-aromatic. Now for this compound, if internal polarization occur in this direction, then you can see, students, that in this case, here the 6-pi electronic system are there, cyclic planar conjugate system. So this is aromatic, as well as this is 6-pi electronic system, this is also aromatic. So here both the ring get aromaticity due to internal polarization of this pi bond. So here the bond order of this double bond will be less, that is it will behave like a single bond. So here the rotation will take place easily. We will examine this molecule also. Let's say internal polarization occur in this way. So in this case, this will be negative, this will be positive. So it will be 8-pi electronic system, that will be anti-aromatic, whereas it will be 6-pi electronic system. So this ring is aromatic. So here also anti-aromatic, one anti-aromatic ring will occur due to internal polarization. So here internal polarization will not happen. So students, we can see that in this compound, due to internal polarization, the bond order will be reduced to nearly equal to 1, and the rotation will be easier in this case. So conversion from cis to trans isomer will be easier in this compound. So students, if you have any doubt regarding this question, please let me know in comment box, and to get such videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.